Yung ating substitute sa sibuyas, guys. Sibuyas dahon. Habang mahal ang sibuyas, sibuyas dahon na lang muna. Alternative ng sibuyas. At may rooftop garden. Onions. Onion leaves. Let's keep on planting, guys, for free food. It's possible at the rooftop. We will pick some, guys. Onion leaves. We will get some pechay. Dahon-dahon lang muna, guys. Kaya medyo maliit pa, guys, kaya padahon-dahon lang muna. Natumba. Tan 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 tan. Tipid na rin tayo konti, guys. Konting tanim-tanim lang, guys. Ay, nahulog. So guys, meron tayong kaunting pampalasa ng ulam. Sibuyas and pechay. Let's plant, guys, for free food on the table. Just at our rooftop garden, we can have vegetables for our food. Thank you, guys. Hoping to inspire others that gardening is possible even on our rooftop. We can save on food costs if we will just harvest on our surroundings. We can plant in any form, even on empty bottles or cans. We can have our own garden. Thank you for watching, guys. Just a short video. Thank you. Bye-bye.